If you're looking to supercharge team productivity, today I'm going to walk you through how to seamlessly connect Asana with Slack. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create tasks, receive project updates, and manage workflows, all without leaving Slack. This integration eliminates extra tab switching and helps your team stay organized and in sync. Let's dive straight in. To get started, you'll first want to find the Asana app inside Slack. So log into your Slack workspace and look to the left sidebar. This is usually where you'll find options like More or Apps. Click into the app directory and then use the search bar to type in Asana. If you're new to Slack's layout, don't worry. It might take a moment to locate the app directory, but it's worth taking your time so you're comfortable with where things are. Think of it a bit like finding the right toolkit in a well-stocked garage. After you find the Asana app in the directory, you'll see an Add to Slack button on the app's info page. Go ahead and click that. This is effectively inviting Asana into your workspace, kind of like welcoming a new team member who's going to help bridge communication gaps. Now, the next step is to actually connect your Asana account to Slack. Once you click Add to Slack, Slack will guide you through a set of prompts. You'll be asked to log into your Asana account, and you may need to give Asana permission to access your Slack workspace and Slack permission to talk to Asana. This might look like a lot of pop-ups, but don't worry. It's just making sure everything's secure and that you're authorizing the integration intentionally. Imagine it as handing a trusted friend a spare key to your office. They need it to help you, but you want to be sure you know exactly what's going on. When you see the permissions screen, go ahead and click Allow to finish the authorization. This step is important because it gives Asana and Slack permission to communicate, almost like connecting the pipes between two vital pieces of your workflow. If you hesitate here, just remember, the permissions are what enable you to automate updates and actions, which saves time for you and your entire team. Once you've connected the accounts, you're ready to start using the integration. Now, inside any Slack channel, you can use special commands to interact with Asana directly. For example, typing --Asana lets you create new tasks, check on existing ones, and even assign work without ever leaving your chat. If this is your first time trying it, take a few minutes to experiment. Type Asana help to see a complete list of available commands. It's a bit like discovering shortcuts on your phone. These commands will quickly become second nature, and you'll wonder how you managed without them. For some added magic, you can link specific Slack channels to Asana projects to get automatic updates on tasks and milestones. Just head into a channel that your team uses for a particular project and enter /Asana link. Slack will walk you through connecting that channel to your chosen Asana project, so your team gets real-time notifications. Think of it as building a notification bridge between your group chat and your task board. If your workflow is complex, this simple step will help ensure no one misses a beat or deadline. And that's it. By following these steps, you've just unlocked a new level of collaboration for your team. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and drop your questions or comments below. Maybe share how your team uses Asana and Slack together. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides on streamlining your work and making your digital tools work for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.